Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
OneNote 2010 first introduced the feature called Wiki Linking, which allows you to create links in your notebooks to web pages, other notebooks or pages or sections in a notebook, similar to hyperlinks in a web page. To create a wiki link, first highlight the text that you want to turn into a link. We have this text right here at the top of our table. We'll go ahead and click and drag to select that. Next, click the Insert tab in the ribbon, and then click on the Link button in the Links group in the middle. In the link dialog box that appears, you can change the text that's displayed as a link in the Text to Display text box right here. So for example, if we want to create this link but we want it to say something slightly different, we can change that here. Maybe we want this to say Microsoft Office website, and we'll create a link directly to the Microsoft Office website. Now in the address text box just below that, you can enter a link to a web page if you desire by typing in the entire URL of the web page. If you aren't sure of the link, you can click the Browse the Web button just to the right to launch your internet browser to locate the desired link. Once you find the link, you can highlight and copy it. We'll close out our web browser and paste the link into the address area. You can also click the Browse for File button to the right of that, and you can even create a link to another file on your computer or network by navigating to it, clicking to select it, and then clicking OK. We'll go ahead and cancel that for right now. Now at this point we can create our link to the website, and we'll do that by clicking OK. When we click out of here, we'll see that our text is changed. It's now underlined, indicating that it is a link, and when we hover over it, it turns into the hand. We can click on that, and our internet browser will then launch and take us directly to that particular page. Now let's go ahead and take a look at creating a different type of wiki link. If you want to link to another notebook or page in OneNote, you can do that as well. Let's go ahead and highlight this staff training text down here, and we'll create a link to a different page within this notebook. We have that highlighted. Again, click the Insert tab in the ribbon, and then the Link button in the Links group to open up the Link dialog box. This time we'll go ahead and leave the text to display the way it is. We're not going to enter an address here since that's for the web, and we're going to look down in this bottom area here. Now you can either search for the page by entering search text into this search area right here where it says or pick a location in OneNote. And so we could type in some search and search below here to find it, or you can just navigate directly to that page using this area below. Now the small plus and minus signs to the left of the notebook, section, and folder names allow you to expand or collapse the contents in order to locate your desired file. If we're looking in our work notebook, for example, we'll click the plus sign there. Now we see our sections, and here's our staff section, and here are the pages. We have the single page in there. Give that a click, and that's where we're going to link to. Now when we select that, you'll notice then that the address changes up here, and that's an address that OneNote will use to know where to link to. Now I want to point out that you can also select to create a new page. And so we could go down here into this area and create a new page that doesn't exist yet, doesn't have any content or anything on it, and link there instead. We'll go ahead and link to this page, give that a click, and then select OK. Now if you link to a page that has content, then the link will appear with a solid underline. If you link to a page that does not yet have content, the line will appear dotted instead. The link itself, though, works in exactly the same way. Hover over it, give it a click, and it will take us directly to that page in the section of the notebook that we chose.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.